Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tazib sir, my dear students, and what I am telling you today, we are going to learn chapter number 11, money. In chapter number 11, chapter number 11, perimeter and area, not a money. Chapter number 11, perimeter and area. Money is not your. Okay, perimeter and area we are going to learn. So in that chapter, further we are going to learn exercise number 11a. What, my dear students? Today we are going to learn exercise number 11a. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. So today we are going to learn exercise number 11a, question number 1, question number 2. Both things we are going to learn, my dear students. Got my points, dear all? Today we are going to learn both things. Okay, dear all? So now, before starting our exercise number 11a, let's check today's quote and then we will move on further. So as per schedule, I am going to present, I am going to share today's quote and then after we will move on further, my dear students. So let's check today's quote. Always, my dear students, always do your best always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest or later. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest or later. Got my points all? Always do your best. Always do your best. Always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest or later. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. And then after we will move on further. Our chapter number 11 is perimeter and area. Okay? Our chapter name is what? Perimeter and area. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, this is chapter name is what? Perimeter and area. So let's check here. Exercise number 11. Which exercise number 11? Exercise number 11a. Okay, and as per I was told you, my dear students, you have to measure your diary, means school diary, pencil box or snack box, means a lunch box. That all things you are going to use. Okay, that all things you are going to use. The first is school diary. So only I give you here my dear students, only I give you here the centimeter of your diary. Okay, if you have diary, school diary, so that time you are going to measure. Okay, by the using of my dear students a ruler or scale. Understood all, my dear students? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Got my points? So as per, first of all, we are going to measure school diary, pencil box and lunch box. So now, my dear students, take your school diary and school or ruler. Okay, and then after you check how long, and it's a centimeter. Okay, my dear students, so school diary. Okay, I'll give you here only the centimeter of school diary. We are going to find the perimeters. What only, my dear students? We are going to find the perimeters. Understood all of you? So here is first is what? First is as per question number A, and then after school diary. Okay, its centimeter is what? 16 centimeter. Length and breadth is what? 14 centimeter. So what we have to do in the school diary, my dear students? What we have to do in the school diary? Okay, means what we have to find the perimeter. So because of we are going to find the perimeter, that time we are take the addition sign. Okay, means what we have to do, we have to do that time addition. Okay, we have to do addition. Got my point? So now here we will going to do the addition. 16 centimeter and 14 centimeter. This is all approximate of a diary's centimeter. Diary's measurement. What approximate is not a proper. Okay, if you have a long diary, if you have a big, so that time what you are do? That time you are write your proper amount. Okay, I have a small diary, shorter diary. So that time I'm write a short diary's measurement. Got my points, dear? So you have to write as like that, my dear. Understood? So here is what 16 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Understood? Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. So now 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 and 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So answer is what, my dear students? 100. Okay, 100 centimeter is our answer. Understood? Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood, dear. Okay, this is a question number 1. It's a diary. Okay, means 100 centimeter of this diary. How many centimeter, my dear students? 100 centimeter. Okay, got my points? Understood, all of you? I hope you all are understood. Now we will move on question number B. Okay, so how long a pencil box? So its length is what, my dear students? First of all, I am going to write here the answer number B here. Its length is what? 18 centimeter, my dear students. And breadth is how many, my dear students? 20 centimeter. Means a 10 centimeter, not a 20. 10 semi. How many, my dear students? Got my points, my dear all students? Understood all what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, my dear. So now here we will going to do the addition, my dear students. 18 plus 10. 18 plus 10. So how many? 18 plus 10. 18 plus 10 is equal to 90. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, my dear students. How many? 9. Okay. So answer is what all, dear? 19. Got my point? So now I am going to write here 19. Understood all, my dear students? So now answer is what all? 19 centimeter. Understood? Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood, all of you. Okay. Now further we will move on, my dear students. Question number C. Where we will move on? We move on question number C, my dear students. So I am going to move on question number C. Okay. I am going to move on question number C. Got my point? So C is what? Snack box. Snack box is what? Snack box. Snack box means lunch box. Your lunch box. Got my points, my dear students? Lunch box. So take out your lunch box and measure the lunch box size. Okay, means its length and width or width. Okay, my dear. So now I am going to write here the wall things for you all, dear. Put my points all. And then after it's a what? How many centimeter? How long? 75 semi. I am right here. 75 centimeter is length. 75 cm is the length, my dear. And then after, my dear students, and 20 centimeters is breadth. Okay, got my point? So I am going to write the wall things, my dear students. So here what we have to do? We have to do here the addition, my dear. Okay, what we have to do the addition here. Okay, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5 and 7 plus 2 is equal to 8 or 9. So answer is what? 95. How many, my dear students? 95 centimeter. Understood? Got my points, my dear students? 95 centimeter. So that is a all approximate measurement. Okay, that is a all approximate things. You have to write these all things in your book, my dear students. What I am telling you, you have to write the all things in your book. Okay, no need to write this all measurement. Okay, take out your diary, pencil box and a snack box. Got my points? And you measure by the use of, with the help of the scale or with the help of the what, my dear students? With the help of the scale or ruler. Got my point? And you find the correct perimeter of your lunch box, your pencil box and school diary. Got my points? Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. So this is all importance for us, my dear. Got my points, all dear? So note down these all things and then after we will move on further. So I'll give you time here, my dear students. Note down all. Make a box, my dear. So what we do further? We move on further. Question number 2, my dear students. Means we have do not perform the question number 2 directly. We will move on question number 3. Okay, it is the related to the perimeter. So then after we will move on further, my dear students. Quickly note down this all sum. And then after we are going to solve a question number 3. Question number 3. Got my points all? I hope you are writing all. Okay, my dear students. So now we will move on to question number 3. Okay. So before starting a question number 3, my dear students, we have left the question number 2. Okay. Sorry, 2. So 2 is what, my dear students? 2 is we have to find the perimeter of these all units. Okay. Here is the unit. Got my points? So each box is equal to 1 unit. Each box is equal to 1 unit. Each box is equal to 1 unit. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? So now I am going to write the whole things here. 1. Here I am starting from to 1. Okay, and then after 2, question number 1 is what? The given shape, we are going to find the perimeter. 3. Then after the 4, my dear. Then after the 5, my dear students. 5 is also here. Then after here is the 6th, my dear students. See. Then after the here is what, my dear students? 7. Then after here is the 8. Then after the 9. This unit is the 9th, my dear students. Okay, then after the 10, dear. Then after 11, my dear. Then after the 12, all dear. Then after the 12, my dear students, you all are writing with me. First of all, you make the patterns as like me all. 12 and last is a 13. 1, 3, 13. Okay, my dear. Then after the 4, 0, 14. Then after 1, 5 is 1, 5, 15. And last but not is in our list. Okay, it's a 1 to starting from 1 to till a 60. Okay, so what do my dear students? Here I am going to write the answer, my dear students. Okay, 16 units. How many units, my dear students? 16 units. Understood all? Got my points? So now you note down this all answer here. 16 units. Okay, this is a what? This is a first question. Here we have done the question number 1. Now we will move on further, my dear students. B. Okay, so you have to write a B as like that, my dear students. Okay, one by one you have to write the whole thing to here. Here to start at a 1 unit, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So here is a how many units, my dear students? Here is a 20 units. How many, my dear students? 20 units. Understood? Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. So now you note down this all, my dear students, all things you note down in your book. And then we will move on further, dear. I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Now, my dear students, we will move on further, dear all. Okay, understood all? So it's a C and D, my dear students. What? C and D. Okay, C is in your homework, and D I am going to explain, my dear student. C is in your homework and D I am going to explain here. Okay, D from I'll give you one number to D. Okay, D2 I'll give you one number, D2. Then after directly I am going to move on second B. Here is B. Here is the 3. Okay. After, my dear students, here is the 4. Then after, my dear students, 5. Then after the 6, here is. Then after the 7, here, my dear. Then after the 8, my dear students. Then after the 9, my dear students. Then after the 10, my dear students. Then after the 11, dear all. You have to write with me in your book, dear. Do fast. Then after the 12. Then after the 31, 3, 30. Then after 1, 4, 14. Then after 1, 5, 15. Okay, but it's not a 15, only 14. How many? Till see 1 to 14 unit. How many, my dear students? 1 to 14. So answer is what? 1, 4, 14 units. It's been there. How many, my dear students? 1, 4, 14 units. It's been there. Okay, 1, 4, 14 units. It's been there. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood, my dear. Okay, so you have to write these all things, and in homework you have to find the centimeter. What you have to find? You have to find the centimeter of the question number C. Got my points, all students? And then after we will move on further. Question number 3. Find the perimeter of the given objects. Okay, my dear students, find the perimeter of given objects. So now we will move on the further. Find the perimeter of the given subject. Note down these instructions, my dear students, and then we will move on further. Okay, my dear students, note down these instructions in your book. Find the perimeter of this given object. Okay, dear. Now we will move on further. Question number 1. Okay, so which is the here is the what, my dear students? Mobile phone. So what, I hope you now getting the idea. It's the question number 1. Okay, it's the question number 1, my dear students. Put my points, dear all. What I am telling you, I hope you all understood, my dear students. Question number 1 means A. We are going to find the perimeters. Okay, we are going to find the perimeters. So what we have to do in the find to the perimeters, we do the addition. So now I am going to write the whole things here. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Here is the 6 centimeter. Then after the 10 centimeter. Then after again it's a 6 centimeter. Then after, my dear students, is what? Again 10 centimeter. Okay, all. So now here we will going to do the addition. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, and 12 plus 0 is equal to 12, my dear students. Got my points, all, my dear students? What I am telling you, so means 12 of 2 here and 1 as a form of carry. So what, my dear students, here is 32. Okay, what we have to do? We have to do the 32 centimeter. Got my points, all of you understood? It's a 32 centimeter. What we have done here? We have done here the question number 1. Got my points, all of you? Here we have done a question number 1. So I'll give you time. Note down this, my dear students, in your book properly. Do fast, all. And then after we will move on further, my dear. And then after we move on further, my dear. So now for the second question is what? Frame. Okay, question number B is what? Frame. Question number B is what? Frame. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, so now we are going to write the whole things about this frame. How many centimeter? 14 centimeter here. Then after 14 centimeter here. Again 14 centimeter here. Then after again we move on 4014 centimeter. Put my points already here. Okay, so now here we will going to solve this answer. 4 plus 4. How many, my dear students? 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 12 plus 4 is equal to how many, my dear students? 16. 16 and 16 of 6 here and 1 as a form of carry. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. Okay. Got my point? So answer is what, my dear students? Answer is 56 centimeter. Okay, my dear students, understood? I hope you all are understood. Got my points, my dear students? So note down this sum, and then after we will move on further question number C and D. But here we have no more time, so in next session we are going to learn a question number C and D, and the basis of this area and perimeter we are going to find these wall things. Understood, my dear students? Okay, I hope you all are understood, dear. So thank you so much all of you from watching this video. Thank you, my dear students all. Thank you all.